today we have a rather difficult subject. We're going to talk about the hard and soft sound L in the Russian language. For many English speakers, it's a big problem. I mean, to feel the difference between soft and hard L sound. And actually, it's all about articulation. As soon as you understand the correct articulation, you will see them like black and white, that clear. First, let's talk about the hard L. The tip of the tongue is pressed against the upper teeth. The middle part dips and forms a cavity. The back part is raised and the vocal cords vibrate. Remember that English L sound is softer than Russian hard L, so the articulation is different. Don't pronounce it as you do in your native language. So in Russian, the tip of your tongue touches the upper front teeth. And actually, if you do it in front of a mirror, you will see the tip there. So try to do it with the help of a mirror and say, oh, oh, oh. Try with the long sound first, and you can even check if you can see a tip there. L, L. Then do it shorter and shorter. L, 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 L. Now let's try it in words. Luck, 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 look, 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 lom, lom, lom. So what happens to your tongue when you want to pronounce the soft L sound? L, L, L. All you need to do is to move your tongue about this backwards, about 1 centimeter back. L, L. Remember the difference between hard and soft consonants. So here it might be helpful as well. So try it in front of the mirror and try to hear the difference. L, 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 L. When you say it softer, you won't see a tip of your tongue in the mirror. So try hard L, L, and a soft one. L, L. Your tongue is behind. Now the words. La la, la la, la la, lilia. Don't try to write it in cursive. Lilia, lilia. That's it for today's lesson. But again, remember, it is very, very difficult. So be sure to spend enough time practicing.